Okay, here's a show on demonstrating the sales and quarter report on page 24 in the purple book. Gonna have to move pretty quickly, keep from making it so long. It says fill in the totals, which I've done on the top two, and on the bottom here, basically you just click to the side or the bottom, double click on the E, copy the formulas down, and you're done on that. Come back later and put in the commas. Then link totals. That's a little more complicated, but not all that. I've already done the first section here, so I'm going to show you the second month of May. You highlight what you want to link, and you right click, click on the copy button. You should get this little marquee going around what you want to link. Go to where you want to link to. In this case, it's another tab. It could be a completely separate file, and it could be even in a Word file, or it could be in the same sheet. It doesn't matter. Go over to where you want to go. Put the cursor in the top slot of the first number. Right click your mouse. Paste special. Linking is special. And paste link. You do the same thing every time. You notice the numbers come up. Good thing about linking, now if we go back over here to months, and if we changed any of these numbers, it would automatically go change the totals here and then go over to the where you link to and change the numbers there. Alright, the last month here we highlight, same procedure, right click, copy, get your marquee, go to where you're going to link, in this case June, right click, paste special, paste link. Anytime you see something that says you need to link, that's what you do. You can link one number, as you see here, a series of numbers. Okay, basically we just need to finish this particular problem stuff real quick. So we go to totals, double click, copy it down, get your total gross sales down at the bottom, double click, copy it across, going all the way over. There is a absolute referencing video that you can look at that we're going to use. Percent of totals. Totals is the same thing as a pie chart. Very, very common and well liked by people. We have to divide each one of these numbers in column E by the total, 122,750. Again, we don't really care what the number is. The location, E12. And here's the formula down here on row 20 that you have. Okay, start with the equal sign. Click on E7. When you're trying to find a percent, you divide. And to lock in E12, we put the dollar sign and the E, which will lock in the column, dollar sign 12. Probably ought to, nah, you don't have to do that. Dollar sign E, dollar sign 12. I was thinking about putting in parentheses. Never hurts to put something in parentheses, but I don't think we need it here. About 58%. Copy it down, and when we do this number down here, this total, which you may or may not have copied over, should be 1. Percent of total should always add up to be 1. Later, when we put our formatting on this, we'll go to percent. Okay, average. Go to FX. Look for average. Okay, so mine's already on average. Okay, gives you the number. You might want to move it over. Now, when you highlight the numbers that you want to average, notice I didn't use the total. Total does not go in the average. It will screw up your answer, and it'll be a wrong answer. You get the formula, B7 through B10. That's the range that you want to average, and it's a copyable formula. You can just copy it over. Go down to minimum, the smallest number in the group. Wouldn't make sense for just a short group, but if you had 1,000 numbers in a column, you'd want to do minimum. Alright, mine comes up. You may have to type in brief description up here. You may have to type the word minimum up there to get MIN to come up. Click on OK. Same thing, same group of numbers. You're going to highlight and get the smallest number. Notice 2,000 is the smallest. Copy it over. Maximum is just the biggest number in the group. What's the biggest sale that we had in a particular range of numbers? Highlight the numbers that you want. Click OK. Copy it over. And basically that's the numbers that you need. Of course, you need to, any number over 999 that doesn't have a comma, you get counted off. Click on the comma. You can take off the decimal points if you wish. Now let's take care of the percent of total. Make that look nice and neat. Hit the percent sign. You notice we've got each one of the particular decoys now and their percents. Now I know now you can tell who does what. When we'll do a pie chart, you're going to get these same percentages in just a minute. Okay, do this. You should get the same numbers I got. I'm going to, in another video, I'm going to do the 3D pie chart. Hope this helped.